Have you encountered the frustrating situation of having your iPad locked due to remote management, even after performing a restore? In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of removing remote management from iPad after restore, allowing you to regain full control and use your device freely. Let's get started. Before showing our tips, we will first explain what MDM is and how it works. Remote Management Lock is a feature of mobile device management, which is available on iPhones and iPads. It allows an administrator to get into any connected device and control it. So when an iPad has an MDM profile, then the device is permitted remote management access by the administrator. Administrators can add and delete profiles from the system. They can erase the device without the user's permission. Most notably, they can enforce various restrictions on USB device connections, app clip addition removal, Wi-Fi control, hotspot settings adjustment, Bluetooth settings, notification settings, screenshots, wallpaper, and more. So the first tip is to jailbreak your iPad. As you can see, when we search the jailbreak tool in Google, you will have many choices. Some are free while some are paid. You need to check the supported devices and iPadOS versions before purchasing. Also, there are some downsides to jailbreaking your iPad. Please think twice before jailbreaking your device. First, by jailbreaking your iPad, you bypass Apple's security measures, which can leave your device more vulnerable to malware, viruses, and other security threats. Second, unauthorized modifications to the operating system can interfere with the device's normal functioning, leading to crashes, freezes, and other issues. Third, if you encounter any hardware or software issues with your iPad, Apple may refuse to provide support or repairs, even if the problem has nothing to do with the jailbreak itself. Fourth, if your iPad is jailbroken, updating the device to the latest official iOS version can be challenging or even impossible. So the last tip, we will recommend AnyUnlock to you to bypass MDM on iPad without jailbreak. Connect your MDM locked iPad via a USB or USB-C cable to your PC or Mac. Click the link in the description to download and launch AnyUnlock and select the Bypass MDM feature. Click Start and bypass MDM. Make your iPad on the remote management screen and click Already Done. Next, AnyUnlock will bypass MDM on your iPad automatically. Please wait for a while. After bypassing successfully, your iPad will show Restore Completed screen. Tap on Continue to set up your iPad. Finally, you can regain access and get a full-function iPad. That's all tips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.